Right now it's lighting up LED light, and you can bend it, and still you can see the LED light is still on while you are bending it. Similarly as this, we have two batteries with a cell phone, so it can provide like 5 volts, and it can be charged within a minute. It's possible to have like bendable cell phone with bendable screen. You have bendable batteries on the back, and it's great. This is a lithium-ion battery, which we use a lot in our daily lives, for example in our cell phone and in our laptops. Commonly, lithium-ion battery, if you drill a hole through the battery, it will probably catch on fire. But our aluminum battery is non-flammable. So if you drill the hole through it, it's still running for a while. It's definitely a high safety battery we have, and it has a reasonable capacity and a very long cycle life. It has no decay over hundreds of cycles, even thousands of cycles. So you can have a potential application in grid